Light the herb, open the mind gate, meditate. Ancient vice floats upon the breeze, inner peace. Me words more like ritual prayer, sacred air. Ganja whisper knowledge soft and deep, secrets keep. Me hear elder tone in the smoke swirl, truth unfurl. Heard not teach me if you run from plain, explain. It show my pain as teacher guide from inside. Every puff the code hid inside. Timeline. Ganja wisdom right by my soul. Scroll. Not tripod help me stay whole. Control. Did not glorify misuse and loss. True cost. Discipline keep the lesson clean. Clear scene. Herb amplify what's already there. Self-aware. Pure intention keep division sharp. Mind spark. This sit quiet, let the thoughts align. Divine. Smoke drift slow like ancient script. Encrypted. Me read between the lines of life. Cut through strife. Knowledge pass from Eve to mine. True time. Me carry wisdom forward strong. Inside. Nature teach me loud words loud. No crowd. Nature teach me loud words loud. No. Ganja wisdom sacred flesh. Every hedge. Every meal got me choose way. Night and day. When smoke fade, should remain. Stay safe. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Last flame burn, but my calm still. Iron will. End of chapter, start of rise. Clear eyes. Me journey long from dusk to light. Countless nights, every scar right page in my book. Hard look. Me stand firm on lesson learned, wisdom earned. My flame now steady, not wise buck. Leave monk. Me control heat, me shape my fate. Create. No rush glory, no fear and transcend. Final flame burn strong and true. Pull through. Final flame light my way. Here to stay. without regret. Respect. New fire rise, but my roots remain. Same chain. And I mean, my done my role. Full soul, full soul. Tried to pretend, but my free of my life. Still try. End and beginning, catch same life. Till me breathe. Pressure teach me how to believe. Dark tunnel, small light still shine. Diamond time. Pressure squeeze, but me backbone firm. Lesson learned, me not fool when the system press. Stress test, heat turn carbon into shine. Same sign, what them call burden, me call design. Align, me step through fire with the open eyes, no cry. Every trial carve me clarity, strategy. Pain sharp and focus like blade edge. Knowledge. Pressure make diamond bright after night. Pressure make diamond strong all along. We never these before me ready, steady. Comfort never be the warrior mind. Refine me welcome test as right of pass. Solid mass. When me finally blow them, me surprise disguise. Them never see the pressure days. Dark face. What break we make strong shine by design. Pressure make diamond real. Heart steel. Pressure make diamond rise. Clear eyes. From them to brilliance pure. And dreadlock cool, yeah. That was a cosmically you say, man. New noise when me win me race. Still pace, victory silent, heavy and real. How it feel? Me nah announce me moves them loud. No crowd, progress quite like seed in soil. Vision tile, while them back me dealing alien. True rain. Me train discipline, shadow space. Private place, no applause when me heart learn fight. Late night, victory case sweeter when unseen. Clean, silent coal, yeah, burned alone. Solid stone, solid stone. Silent coal, yeah, calm and true. Pull through. Me now flex trophy fi impress I. Why? Results speak when me step arrive. Verify. Me let work talk loud and clear. Severe. Pain and patience walk me road. Heavy Lord. Me never quit when finally turn me way. Same humble spirit, same calm tone. Fully grown, quiet grind, build lots success. No stress. Silent chord, strong and deep. Roots keep. Silent victory, no regret. Set. Me win without shout or sound. Solid ground.
Zion, your man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie. Smile pan TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death, while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall. Invisible chain still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone. No ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face. Truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait. Unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man. No drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code. Decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chant in pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come through. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream. Forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul na swipe or scroll. Me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide we pain. Me use verse fi break the chain. Me use drum fi talk to sky. Me use bassline fi make truth fly. So if you're lost in concrete zone, listen deep, you're still not alone. My voice is candle in dark room. My word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see. My DNA link tree to see. No barcode label, Panjaman. Me no scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, no need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake.
Kaya Kushan Zion Reggae, man. In the garden
standing strong and tall. Tree of life embrace us all. Roots so deep in holy ground. Tree of wisdom all around. Babylon axe may try to fall. Tree of life still stand for all. Every leaf a sacred flame. Tree exalt the holy name. Elders sit beneath the shade. Tree of life where prayer is made. Every story old and true. Tree of knowledge shine anew. Child of morning, laugh and play. Tree of love protect the day. Every branch a melody. Tree of mercy set us free. So sweet for every hand. Tree of life bless all the land. No more hunger, no more pain. Tree of truth forever reign. Bird them build a nest so high. Tree of peace embrace the sky. Every blossom bold and bright. Tree of Zion hold the light. Poet right beneath the bow. Tree of life inspire now. Every line a sacred song. Tree of love keep moving strong. No corruption break the wood. Tree of mercy always good. Everlasting pure and free. Tree of justice victory. Generations sit and rest. Tree of life provide the best. Every season come and go. Tree of mercy still will grow. Storm may rage and winds may roar. Tree of truth forevermore. Sacred pillar bold and strong. Tree of Zion sing the song. Upon the leaves, tree of life no man deceives. Every shade a holy sign. Tree of justice still divine. Even stranger we can't tire. Tree of love make them inspire. Every root a prophecy. Tree of peace eternity. Never fading, never small. Us all. Sacred tower tall and free. Tree of mercy victory. Glorious flame in every part. Tree of Zion heal the heart. Everlasting bold and true. Tree of life in me and you. Grow, grow, strong and high. Tree of mercy touch the sky. Stand, stand, bold and free. Tree of love eternity. Tree of life, sacred flame, glorified the holy name. Never breaking, never fall. Tree of mercy, shade us all. Forever blooming, strong and pure. Tree of justice will endure. Roots eternal, bold and free. Tree of Zion victory.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh, oh, oh. Flow so strong from mountainside. River carry Jah pure guide. Every drop a healing stream.
away the wicked scheme. Cool the soul, refresh the land. River flow by Jah command. No drought can dry, no wall restrain. River bless the earth again. River of Zion, deep and wide, carry truth on holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. It run through valley, run through plain. It feed the seed with gentle rain. It give the thirsty child to drink. Teach the elder how to think. No poison spoil, no hand control. River cleanse the weary soul. From high to low, from shore to sea. River flow eternally. It sing a song of love and peace. It chant until the wars all cease. It whisper, come lay down your fight. Walk in Jah and live in light. It tell the world, we live as one. River flow till work is done. Every ripple tell Jah name. Flowing strong with holy flame. Me sit beside the river clear. Feel Jah presence drawing near. It guide me hand, it wash me face. Fill me soul with righteous grace. It teach me how to heal and give. Show the path of how we live. No end, no start, just circle run. River flow till time is done. When the nightfall start to rise, river shine beneath the skies. Moon above and stars reflect. River show what soul connect. From first dawn to final day, river never fade away. Living stream of Zion bless. Wash the world in righteousness. Flow deep, flow strong. River sing the ancient song. From mount to sea, from birth to end. River of Jah, always friend. River of Zion, deep and wide, carry truth on holy tide. Wash the heart, renew the mind. Living water for mankind. From dawn to dusk, from sun to moon, river sing Jah holy tune.
Bada bim, bada boom. Rastafari. Smoke bang ya man. Yeah, me walk with Jah in a barefoot style. Me step in a jungle, me mind run wild. Lion heart, me nah get tame. Me burn me herb and chant Jah name. Hillside green like me favorite strain. Me feel no pressure, me feel no pain. Eyes to the sky, me lift me soul. Me reggae beat, keep the fire whole. Roots run deep in a eye man vein. Rasta love, wash away the strain. Blaze one high and meditate low. We roll in truth, we let it flow. Roots run deep and the rhythm strong. Me spirit chant like ancient song. Hold a vibe and let it steep. Rasta life, yeah, roots run deep. Me burn the chalice pan sunrise peak. Me listen Jah voice when the silence speak. Me no chase wealth, me no need fame. Me find me peace in Jah holy name. Me woman divine, me queen by side. We ride the storm, we ride the tide.
rub me locks when me feel low. She say remember who you are, let it show. Me no in a race with no other man. Me live each day with a higher plan. From roots to fruit, me tree stand tall. If you feel lost, just answer the call. Roll a spliff and close your eyes. Feel the fire as your spirit rise. Sound system shake, the sacred ground. Jah vibration in every song. Rasta youth walk a righteous way. Herbs in a pocket, smile on face. We burn Babylon without haste. Roots run deep like the Congo drum. Feel it beat like lightning come. Zion echoes in the midnight hour. Me link with stars, me take Jah power. Me jam in a yard with me brethren them. Real warriors, no need to pretend. But post the vibes on ital stew. We reason true truth while the fire brew. Me play me guitar, them beat them pan. We raise vibration, woman and man. No borders here, just art and sound. One love vibration, circle round. So if you're tired of concrete grey, come find your peace where the children play. Dancing a feel, sing out loud, lift up your soul and stand so proud. This is Zion Echoes, Irisine. Reggae roots, so pure, so clean. Rasta journey, you soon will keep. But first remember, roots run deep.
Jamaica pushing on the chalice, yeah man.
Light up the chalice, silence na the room. Incense mix with the evening bloom. Me sit still like stone, but me mind fly high. Inna the smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner, me sit, herbs in a hand. Me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence, me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trad true revelation. Smoke keep me no glorify, just the smoke. But the message when the silence spoke, it bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage, it guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Smoke and silence, bless the ear. Me reason with Jah, me soul get clear. Me trod with music, me trod with flame. Me live for love, not name or fame. Smoke and silence, pure connection. Rasta man moving, right direction. So come sit with I under the moon, let the chalice sing a healing tune in the stillness. We rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Zion echoes carry this song. Smoke and silence, Jah make we strong. Na 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 Zion, I got one. Oh yeah, under one of Zion I go. Oh yeah, underwater deep and wide, Riverstones in silent side. Every stone a memory old, song of ages still retold. Current on my melody, river chant eternity. Every ripple soft and clear, stone of wisdom echo near. Traveler rests beside the stream, Riverstone reflect his dream. Every glimmer catch the light, song of mercy pure and bright. Babylon eyes begin to fade, Riverstone by Jah was made. Every pebble hum along, river sing the freedom song. Elder lift a stone so small, hear the whisper, hear the call. Every sound a sacred key, unlock truth eternally. Stormy rage and waters rise, stone remain beneath the skies. Everlasting, bold and true, Riverstone still shine for you. Oh yeah. Farmer wash the soil away, Riverstone reveal the day. Every color burn a flame, Riverstone declare Jah name. No corruption stain its hue, Riverstone forever new. Every piece a prayer of light, song of Zion burn so bright. Poet kneel and start to write, Riverstone reflect the sight. Every word a crystal sound, river wisdom all around. No illusion, no disguise, Riverstone open the eyes. Every stone a holy vow. River chant the spirit now. Even night cannot conceal. Riverstone forever real. Generations pass along. River keep the ancient song. From creation till today, Riverstone still show the way. Ever pure and ever strong, River hum the endless song. When the tide at last subside, Riverstone still stand in pride. Every echo soft yet sure, River truth will still endure. Bound by time yet always free, Riverstone eternity. Sacred gem of love divine, River chant till end of time. Flow, 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 mighty stream. Riverstone reflect the dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River hum the holy light. Song of the Riverstone, low and sweet. Sing of the truth beneath our feet. Never faded, never gone. River chant from dusk till dawn. Forever glowing, bold and free. Riverstone, old destiny. Sacred chorus, strong and true. River sing for me and you. Oh yeah. Na na there. Na 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 na.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a kush with Sef Kaya, man. Me rise up early with the sun. Chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden, lush and green. Sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for your remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life. Stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me through every leaf. Me spirit free in a one love herb garden. We grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find your light in every space. Rasta not stray from your way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow. Not just herb, but art you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat Every step make me heartbeat shiver. Crown on her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. Cooking idol, chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She are the queen of me temple, fire of the night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She reads scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor start to end. Many women me see, but she stand alone. With lioness heart and spirit grown. She no need crown, fi rule me throne. Our vibe more rich than gemstone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She are the queen of me temple, reason of the song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She are the queen of the Rasta flame, and me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal, but live low key. Speak soft, but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She are the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge, she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah.
Na 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 Zion reggae. Deep in the valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free. Carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live. All the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel your spirit like a friend. It tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion sign. When drought come try fi crack the land, river still strong by Jah hand. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block so sweet. From morning light till setting sun, river of Zion still a run. It carries song from shore to shore, calling people to love once more. Me see the elder staff in hand, bless the water and bless the land. River run till time is true, flow with love so pure and true. Flow high, flow low, through the hills and valleys slow. Bring life, bring peace, till all these sorrows cease. No chain, no gate, no wall can stop the Zion river call. River of Zion, flow on free, carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live, all the healing it can give. From mountain top to ocean deep, river of Zion we always keep.
Smoking chalice in the jungle, yeah man. Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from my ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll, echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear, spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map, Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heart beat inna the drum me say, calling all soul fi come me say. Dancing round this sacred fire, lift your spirit, take ya higher. Boom boom, boom boom, it nah lie, it a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze, her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word, no page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown, Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun, when me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready for dance? We ready for dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. Fire blaze in a cool night here. Drum line up, me no a prayer. Me na fear, me na fall. Drum make me rise, make me stand tall. Me lose me name but find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm now come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory bond, from when me ancestors did one. Stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you upon life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we nah go stray. We follow the drum till break of day.
Zion roots, Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. Oh, yes, Zion roots. Oh, hey. a blind, me still a feel. The system fake, me spirit real. Me wake up in a Babylon dream, where everything bright but nothing clean. Them bleach the truth, them twist the name. Them point the finger, shift the blame. But me nah bow, me nah retreat. Me walk with lion in the street. Me hold me head through storm and flame. Me soul too high, fi play them game. Iron chains, golden souls. Them can't touch what Jah control. Though we walk through fire and stone, we rise as kings from dust and bone. Me chant for the voiceless, chant for the poor. Me knock on consciousness door. So hear the drum and free your roll. Break the chains and claim your soul. Me see them love, control and badge. Them drive them ego like a mad carriage judge. Them build high towers, plastic throne, but still them scared to be alone. Me say me nah need diamond ring. Me value life, not what bling bring. Me rather sleep on dirt and straw than praise a king with bloody law. Me granny tell me truth in song. The wicked reign, but not for long. Me take them words like sacred book and plant it deep in every book. Them colonize the past and now, but we they are still and we know how. Me use me roots like warrior blade. Me lyrics sharp, me message brave. And when me rising at the early light, me give thanks for breath and vision right. Me see Jah hand in everything, from river flow to bird wing. Them label we as rebel soul, but a freedom fire we control. Me nas a puppet, me nas a doll. Me soul a thunder, hear it roll. Iron chains, golden souls. Them can't touch what.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta smoke the best ganja in the city, a man. From the mountain peak me here, lion voice strong and clear. Righteous roar, cut through night. Babylon tremble, lose them fight. Strength of spirit, fire bold. Lion story, ancient told. No man break, no chain bind. Lion stand tall, Jah design. Children gather, chant along. Lion lead with mighty song. Every step a thunder sound. Lion guard the holy ground. Babylon throne can't last long. Lion stronger than them wrong. Justice rise, mercy call. Lion stand tall overall. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. of war, but of truth we fighting for. Heart so gentle.
children cry at night. Lion roar, restore them light. Elder bow and youth man rise. Lion shine before them eyes. Ancient promise, holy call. Lion stand for one and all. Roar, roar, thunder loud. Lion voice, unite the crowd. Strength of Zion, never fall. Lion stand tall, overall. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. Forever strong, forever true. Lion stand for me and you.
Zion roots. Me born free, me born a warrior. Them try fi hold me down, but me rise superior. Them build the chains, them build the cage, but me spirit free, me can't be a slave. Me feel the pressure, me feel the strain, but Jaja guide me, me rise again. Them try fi break me, them try fi bend, but the strength of Jah, it will never end. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the dust. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the Joes. No chain can hold I, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk in bold. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I, me spread me wings. Me rise like the eagle, me feel the kings. Them try fi bind me, them try fi break, but me rise for Jah sake. Them try fi lock me up, try fi silence me voice, but me speak the truth, me make the choice. The power of Jah, it deep inna me soul. Me no need no chains, me no need no control. Me see the walls, them try fi build, but the love of Jah can't be killed. Me rise like a lion, me stand so tall. The chains them fall, me break them all. Me see the chains are breaking apart. Me walk with courage, me walk with heart. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, me know the truth, me know the right. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I, me spread me wings. Me rise like the eagle, me feel the kings. Them try fi bind me, them try fi break, but me rise for Jah sake. No chains can bind me free inside. Me walk with Jah, me walk with pride. The chains of Babylon, them cold and tight, but Jah power, it bring the light. Me feel the fire, me feel the heat. Me rise above, me can't be beat. Me break the chains, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk so bold. Them want fi control, them want fi steal, but the power of Jah, it always real. Me free in a spirit, me free.
Na 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 Rasta man. Grind the kaya man. Sound system turn up, speaker them a place. Me step in a the dance in a righteous face. Me chalice full, me soul a burn. Me dep on fire, now it's your turn. Drum and bass beat like heart in a chest. Every rhythm drop, bring out your best. Me now flex like star, me flex like truth. spine when the snare go pop. Light it up. Feed the people in a struggle. Light it up. Let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Roots man vibes, we celebrate. Light it up. All tribes unite. In a dance hall we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top. We burn bad mind and we nah go stop. Missy dreadlocks, gal a wine with grace. She move to the rhythm like she know the place. Me hail her up with respect and joy. Me say one love, no time for toy. Me see big man, small man, all man in a line. All blaze up chalice, all feeling fine. This a root session, no time for war. This a love in a rhythm like a Rasta star. Me roll one big with me brethren crew. Me pass it round like wisdom true. We reason about life, we reason about peace. We know say Babylon time must ease. Me day in a dance but me spirit fly to Zion plains where the lions lie. One draw, two draw, me eyes then close, but me vision clear like a red rose. Light it up. Feed the people in a struggle. Light it up. Let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Roots man vibes, we celebrate. Light it up. All tribes unite. In a dance hall we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top. We burn bad mind and we nah go stop. No need for bling. Me blaze the herbs. Me speak truth. Me not twist words. Me stand up tall like King Selassie. Me spread the vibe like vital recipe. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town. The drum and truth can never drown. Every lyric me spit a pure uplift.
Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound, soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Drop the vinyl clean. Me close my eyes, me start to dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin but one blood through. Babylon try divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The rhythm reveal universal truth. Me nah need take our flashy screen. Just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dance hall or under tree. Me soul tuned to the frequency. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it
Miss Skanking time to Dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong, nothing make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From trench down yard to African shore. Roots frequency, open door. Join the echo, join the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you.